This might seem strange, but when you know how all the folks step into you this way. See, I've been watching you for a while, and I just gotta let you know that I'm ready feeling your style, 'cause I had to know your name and leave you with my number, and I hope that you call me someday. If you want, you can give me yours too. If you don't, well, I ain't mad at you, 'cause we can still be cool. I'm not trying to press, no, just can't stop thinking about you. You ain't even really gotta be my girlfriend. I just wanna know your name, and maybe sometime we can hook up, hang out, just chill, just to keep it real.